Welcome to first episode of Principal Evaluating Educational Suppliers, a podcast where India's top school leaders meet and evaluate education partners shaping 21st century learning. आज के एपिसोड में हम ले आए हैं एक एक्साइटिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन स्कूल लीडर्स डॉक्टर सीमा नेगी, Anurag Anand, and Bright Shine Publication Private Limited. The publication brings a fresh take on computer science textbooks, blending computational thinking, coding, and AI for classes 1 to 8. Backed by a robust team of experienced teachers, editors, and curriculum designers, Brightshine ensures every book is built on thorough research, pedagogical insight, with affordable pricing, free digital access, teacher support, and a forward looking mindset. They aim to reimagine classroom learning. Founded in 2024 by academic veteran Mr. Umesh Sharma, with over 27 years experience in publishing and academic industry, and Ms. Nidhi Gupta, with over 24 years in education, a seasoned author, publisher, technology pedagogy specialist, having authored 80 plus books in conceptualized 2000 plus titles for K 12 learners. She brings deep academic insights and innovations to every learning space.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
नमस्ते, प्रणाम निधि।
नमस्ते
वेलकम
मैम।
टू आवर
Thank you.
पॉडकास्ट।
Thank you.
सबसे पहले ये बताइए कौन से करिकुलम के साथ अलाइन है आपकी बुक्स?
So, ma'am, this goes with all the boards because computer science का कोई specific curriculum नहीं है, especially with the CBSE. ICSE board का जो curriculum है उसके साथ भी हमने इसको align करके we have created these textbooks.
So since you are telling there is no specific curriculum for computers, then how do you select your topic?
Ma'am, I have been associated with many teachers and principals in these many years that I've worked with. So, उन सारे experiences को और उन सारे feedbacks को consider करके we create a content initially grade wise from grade 1 to 8, and then we first freeze the curriculum, aligning with all the NEP and other guidelines, and then we start the content.
So wonderful to know that, Nidhi, and I know that you are an author from so many years and you are working in this particular domain.
Right.
But what kind of pedagogy or what kind of approach do you follow? क्या approach है?
Ma'am, this book has specially been created following three pedagogies that is based on interdisciplinary learning, art integrated learning, and experiential learning. So, as the name itself is very much clear, so we have created activities within the chapters जो कि इन तीनों pedagogies पे based हैं, so that chapter बहुत ही boring और monotonous ना लगे. It incorporates these pedagogies as well, and as we know, pedagogy is the method of teaching. So the teaching method incorporates through different areas and approaches so that the chapter becomes more joyful.
Now, this sounds interesting, but tell me, how do you incorporate real life experience in real life applications?
Yes, so I think I'll give it in a two way. Firstly, while introducing the concepts, let's suppose we are teaching a concept of Excel or any other topic. So while introducing that topic, जो एग्जाम्पल्स हम स्क्रीनशॉट्स में या विद इन द चैप्टर जो हम थ्रू आउट द चैप्टर पढ़ाते हैं, दोज एग्जाम्पल्स आर ऑलवेज बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग रियल लाइफ रादर देन जस्ट अ फॉर्मूला और जस्ट अ स्क्रीनशॉट. First. Secondly, very important, for real life applications of points, we have a special segment in the name of competency based questions. So we have started that from grade 3 to grade 8. So that goes as a specific real life application based, case based questions incorporated in the book itself.
So, do you also incorporate the same approach or same pedagogy in other subjects also?
Yes, ma'am. So we have this series already with NEP completely following. Other than this, we have an ICSE computer science series based on the ICSE curriculum, and we also have two more series, English grammar and GK, which is in association with Black Canvas publication. These two series, grammar specifically, has the first series. This, I would say, is the first series that integrates technology with English grammar, and of course all these pedagogies and 21st century skills as well. So we have two more series as well, plus ICSE one more.
So, Nidhi, in general, I want to know that how much research has gone behind this?
While making the books?
Yes.
Ma'am, lot of research because we have a huge team. We have a huge editorial team, and which has a lot of authors, teachers, and of course I am also a part of the team. So we have been doing a lot of research on NEP, on the skills, especially on the student-centric and the most trending and this coding and AI part, which is very important for the students to have these days to have, future. We talk about all these. So we have done a huge research. You can have a look at the books and then you can actually assess that how the books have been well graded.
It's a competitive world, and you know that a lot of people are coming up with these things. So, how your books are different from others?
Okay, so I'll talk about the 5 best points maybe. So the first one is that this is the first computer science textbook that integrates coding and AI lab activities within the chapters, which means it is not just theory or just an intro of the coding and AI, but it's actually coding and AI with lab activities, that to Google experiments as well. So that's one. Second one is we have a beyond classroom segment in all the chapters, which is again, as the name says, it takes you beyond the classroom, and that is categorized into 4 segments. One is the SDG, that is the Sustainable Development Goals. So it is again not just theory, it is something that we have picked up one goal, और वो goal को लेकर हमने कोई एक activity design करी that is connected to the chapter. So that is beyond classroom based on SDG 1. Second one is beyond classroom, that is based on Indian heritage. So we have a topic or a concept of Indian heritage connected with again technology. So that's the second aspect of beyond classroom. Third one is group discussion, and then explore, self-explore and find out about something. So these are the 4 areas of beyond classroom. That's something unique that our book is standing out with. Also, coding and AI, as mentioned, it starts from grade 1. To supplement coding, I have to add on to one thing, that usually you will find textbooks that have just coding to start with, like suppose Scratch or Python or any topic that is the hardcore coding. But what we have done, we've introduced computational thinking as a chapter from grade 1 to 8 as a pre-coding chapter, which means before I start the actual coding as a teacher, when I'm in my class, so I just don't start the coding. We first introduce the computational thinking, which is a skill required to develop coding. It's like coding without coding, we call it. So reasoning or any kind of skill that is on abstraction, decoding, all multiple skills come under this computational thinking. So these skills को use करके every coding chapter has a pre-chapter, that too again not just a reasoning questions जैसा हमने normally reasoning books में देखा. It's a complete explanatory solve chapter. So that is also unique to what other people are doing. Other than that, we have the pedagogical activities, as I mentioned, the 3 pedagogies, that's in the name of fun activities. So that's also a point. So the chapter comes up with a lot of integrated things so that the classrooms become more entertaining and more engaging. So
That
mainly,
means AI is necessary in today's world, even.
ma'am, I think these days the students grow up with AI. They are surrounded with AI with every gadget they come up. So they know what is, they are using AI in somehow, but they actually don't know how it works. So sometimes it sounds कि फिर AI हमने grade 1 से पढ़ा है, तो how is it possible? It must be too difficult for grade 1 to understand, to adapt things. But how we have introduced AI is not at all the complete theory, as I mentioned. So हमने ना बिना terms को, AI की जो typical terminologies हैं उनको avoid करके हमने simple language में intelligence और artificial intelligence, AI in movies, games, gadgets, इस तरह के topics को include करके robots, and then the AI lab activities, which is again unique, which takes you to lab through some Google experiments or some fun live AI experiments with the concepts also explained कि वो कैसे AI हैं और क्यों काम कैसे करते हैं. So ये सब मिला करके these are all things. Also competency based questions भी हैं in every class, it's there. Other than that, जैसा आपने AI का मेंशन किया मैम, so we know that आजकल बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा अपने करियर को के लिए कंफ्यूज भी रहते हैं, and they are not able to decide, but they know कि AI is in the trend. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमने इसीलिए 6, 7, 8 में छोटा सा एक सेगमेंट डाला जिसका नाम है अपॉर्चुनिटीज अहेड. सो विच मेंशंस देम कि आप किसी स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट में कौन सा करियर लेकर अपना आगे बना सकते हो, अपना स्कोप, और साथ में हमने कंपनीज के नाम भी मेंशन करे सो दैट दे इवन गेट टू नो कि अच्छा इस फील्ड में अगर मुझे एक्सेल में कुछ करना है या मुझे एआई में कुछ करना है तो मैं क्या क्या प्रोफाइल्स के लिए जॉब्स के लिए रेडी हो सकता हूँ फ्यूचर में. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड फ्रॉम ग्रेड 6. सो दे प्रिपेयर देयर माइंड अगर उन्हें टेक फील्ड में जाना है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर लाइक मेकिंग देम फ्रॉम द प्राइमरी ओनली. इवन इन द कोडिंग, अगर ग्रेड 1 से आप कोडिंग सोचोगे तो इट लुक्स लाइक इट मस्ट बी टू हार्ड फॉर ग्रेड 1 चाइल्ड टू लर्न कोडिंग. बट क्योंकि कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स ही ऐसे हैं, जैसे स्क्रैच जूनियर है, स्क्रैच है, these are not like Python, they are actually block based game based coding platforms. तो हमने इनको तो लिया ही है, साथ में कॉम्पिटेशनल थिंकिंग लगाया तो बच्चे की रीजनिंग भी डेवलप हुई कि लूप्स है, लूप्स पता है उनको कि यूज करना है, बट उन्हें ये नहीं पता कि रियल लाइफ में भी लूप्स है. इवन ब्रशिंग अ टीथ इज अ लूप. So that's an idea of how we introduce the basic concepts. So it's totally student centric textbook, I would say.
That means you have incorporated all the 21st century skills into that. And what exactly more into it? Can you tell me a little in depth that what exactly you have incorporated more, which is different from the other school?
Ma'am, we've curated activities specifically based on the 21st century skills, which like the 4 C's that we know are the base core of the skills, and the life skills as well, which is very necessary these days. कि आजकल तो मतलब मस्ट ही हो गया है. तो हमने एक्टिविटीज जो बनाई, जो क्वेश्चंस बनाए, वो चाहे एमसीक्यूज फॉर्म में हो या फिर वो चाहे किसी चैप्टर चैलेंज हॉट्स फॉर्म में हो, दे आर ऑल क्यूरेटेड इंक्लूडिंग थिंकिंग. मतलब पर्सपेक्टिव उनका ये स्किल्स ही हैं समहाउ, कि वो किसी तरीके से किसी ना किसी एक्टिविटी के थ्रू वो स्किल्स डेवलप कर सके अपने अंदर फॉर होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट.
So it's a fun-based, activities-based books.
Completely.
So that's fine, but some children really grasp very fast. They are quick learners, and some people who are not been able to grasp that fast. What are the steps for them? How do you cope up with those students?
So, ma'am, since we know that as a teacher or as an educator, we face these problems. That's a very common challenge that any teacher is going to face while we are in the classroom. So, हमने एक छोटा सा सेगमेंट रख दिया बुक में ही फॉर टीचर सपोर्ट एंड फॉर स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोग्रेस चेक पॉइंट. सो नाम से भी क्लियर है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू एज वेल. प्रोग्रेस चेक पॉइंट इज लाइक अ मिडवे हाफ वे रिविजन ऑफ द चैप्टर. तो वो स्लो लर्नर्स आप कह लो या फिर आप ये कह लो कि जो थोड़ा जल्दी अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं कंटेंट को, उनके लिए वो एक रिविजन भी हो जाता है. दे गेट अ ब्रेक आल्सो टू अडेप्ट द फर्दर लर्निंग. So that is how we try to gel up a lot of things.
And how do you assess the children?
Through the textbooks. You're talking about the textbooks, right? So we have, I would say I personally also believe, and I'm sure आप लोग as an educators भी agree करोगे कि assessment should not be assessment of learning. It should be assessment for learning. So which means it should go throughout the curriculum. It should not be just at the end of the year कि बस एक एग्जाम से ही हम बच्चे को assess करें. तो असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने बहुत सारे असेसमेंट के छोटे छोटे इसमें एलिमेंट्स डाले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने एक प्रोग्रेस चेक पॉइंट तो एक हो ही गया, उसके अलावा वी हैव 4 periodic assessments throughout the year that divides the assessments in small chapters. Then we have model papers. We also have for teacher support, we have worksheets and class tests per chapters available on the online platform. So now what's the difference, I would say, you might be thinking. So how we have prepared these two things. Worksheets is more towards formative, which is more towards the self practice of the chapter, which is more creativity and activity based worksheets. Or the class tests hai, they are towards the paper pencil test, which is more of a back exercise kind of assessment. So we have multiple forms of assessment, and we have a practical assessment as well, since it's a practical subject. So we have a practical assessment as well at the end. तो वो सारा टाइप का assessment को ध्यान में रखकर we have added a lot of elements. So
That's great.
thank you, ma'am.
So Nidhi, you spoke about progress checker. You also spoke about computational thinking right from the beginning. So all these are incorporated in the book, right? So what I would like to know is, since these are computer textbook, IT related, but do you also offer exclusive digital platform or digital support for students as well as teachers?
Ma'am, we do that. See, since this is a textbook and टेक्नोलॉजी वैसे भी इंटीग्रेट तो एनईपी में है ही कि आपको टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ ही पढ़ाना है, बीट कंप्यूटर और एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट. तो सभी सब्जेक्ट्स में तो हम करते ही हैं, कंप्यूटर्स में हमने स्पेसिफिकली वी हैव अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. So as a teacher, you just have to register and you get your ID and password. And then what all you get in the platform, आपको animated and interactive ebook मिलेगा उसमें, आपको मिलेगा worksheets जैसे मैंने अभी बताया, class tests मिलेंगे per chapter, which is like lot of worksheets and lot of class tests, a lot of extra support material. उसके अलावा you get a question paper generator software which you can download, and it again works offline, and you can create your own paper of your own choice from the bank inbuilt in the software. So that's one more thing. And also you get the lesson plan and the answer keys of the textbooks also. So everything is available for the teachers and for the students. If they register, they get the ebook again free of cost. That works offline after you download.
So, Nidhi, so technologically you are providing everything, but then we still face a lot of challenge when we are talking about, say, 2 tier or 3 tier cities, or we are talking about majority of schools where technology is not so strong, where teachers are not so trained. So, do you have any specific program for training the teachers and hand-holding them till the time they become expert?
Ma'am, I would say we are happy to help. We are there to help you. So अगर यूजुअली हम ओरिएंटेशन और इंडक्शंस तो कराते ही हैं इन ऑल द स्कूल्स दैट आर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड, दोज हु प्रिस्क्राइब्ड आवर बुक. जस्ट इन केस अगर आपके स्कूल्स को या किसी भी एजुकेटर के स्कूल को कोई स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक ट्रेनिंग चाहिए या कोई कंटेंट रिलेटेड ट्रेनिंग चाहिए, वी ऑलवेज डू दैट एनी टाइम, जस्ट कॉल अवे.
So, is it content related training for AI and computers and ICT only, or you're talking about that if a school subscribe or prescribes your book, आप किसी भी टॉपिक पे उनको
मैम
ट्रेनिंग
किसी भी
देने के लिए?
टॉपिक पे जो उनके स्कूल के लिए अच्छा है, जिसमें हम सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, वी आर देयर टू डू दैट. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्स पीपल विद अस. कुछ इन हाउस ही हमारे साथ ही हैं, अदरवाइज वी आर एसोसिएटेड विद लॉट ऑफ एजुकेटर्स, तो हम उनके साथ भी हमारा टाई अप रहता है. एंड आई ऑल्सो डू पर्सनली लॉट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप, सो यू कैन जस्ट गिव अस अ कॉल एंड विल बी डूइंग दैट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर द स्कूल्स.
सो निधि, एक चीज बताओ, अगर किसी स्कूल को अपने लिए स्पेसिफिक कंटेंट बनाना है
जी मैम,
अपने स्कूल के लिए ही, तो डू यू ऑल्सो डू दैट?
वी आर ओपन टू डू दैट. अगर कोई ऐसा करिकुलम है जो आपको लगता है कि हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक से थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर होता है, सो वी आर ओपन टू डू दैट, नॉट अ बिग डील.
So whether it aligns with the board or not, but अगर एक पर्टिकुलर स्कूल को चाहिए कि
and
मुझे
if
बच्चों
it's
को
a
ये पढ़ाना
huge
है,
order, then तो definitely we are open to do that. So I think and even we'll get a feedback that if we are missing out something, definitely we'll
so
incorporate
you
that.
don't see that as a challenge, you see that
Not
as an
at all,
opportunity.
not at all, ma'am. Not at, it is anyways not a problem, because anyways computer is a subject, ma'am, that everybody wants their own way. सो हमने अपनी तरफ से बनाया है कंटेंट, क्योंकि हमने स्टडी इतना करा है, कनेक्ट इतना करा हुआ है. लेकिन फिर भी देयर आर फ्यू स्कूल जो कभी कभी दे माइट गो फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग, सो वी आर ओपन टू दैट.
Seems to be very very good and very useful books, but इनकी आप ये बताइए कि पॉकेट फ्रेंडली हैं कि नहीं, क्योंकि हम टीयर ए बी सी अगर बात करते हैं तो बी और सी सिटीज अगर ये बुक्स को लेती हैं तो
मैम आप कंपेयर करिए, यू विल फाइंड देम द मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल बुक. इट इज हार्डली एवरेज अगर मैं बोलूँ तो इट कम्स आउट टू अराउंड 400 rupees per year per student. That
Okay.
includes all these packaging, the online thing and everything. Okay, I want to mention one thing, just because आपने affordable की बात करी. So as I mentioned कि this book is mainly about coding and AI, right? So normally आजकल जितना ट्रेंडिंग है, तो हम लोग अपने बच्चों को एज अ पेरेंट या एज अ एजुकेटर हम मोस्टली कोशिश करते हैं कि बच्चों को किसी कोडिंग क्लासेस में डाल दें, किसी एआई क्लासेस में डाल दें. वी जनरली प्रेफर दैट, स्कूल्स भी प्रेफर करते हैं कई बार कि कुछ एडिशनल बच्चे को कोडिंग एआई का कुछ कराया जाए. तो दिस एक्चुअली प्राइसिंग, आई वुड से दिस पैकेज इंक्लूड्स दिस प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच एज वेल, क्योंकि जो हमारी लैब एक्टिविटीज है एडिशनल, जो कोडिंग लैब और एआई लैब की जो एडिशनल सेगमेंट है अदर देन द चैप्टर एक्टिविटीज, तो वो इतनी एडिशनल है बिकॉज दे टेक यू बियॉन्ड टू द क्लासरूम एंड दे हेल्प यू ऑल द लाइव एक्सपेरिमेंट्स जो कि बच्चा एक्चुअली उन कोडिंग क्लासेस में या एआई क्लासेस में सीखता है जाकर. तो दैट ऑल्सो सेव्स मनी समहाउ, क्योंकि बच्चा का बिगनिंग से ही अगर बेस बन रहा है, तो बाय द टाइम यू नो ड्रॉप हिम इन सच एन इंस्टीट्यूट, तो ही इज ऑलरेडी अवेयर अबाउट ऑल द कोडिंग लेवल्स एंड ही इज अ प्रो देयर. तो वो भी एक पैकेजिंग का पार्ट हमने रखा है कि बच्चा कहीं ना कहीं बेसिक उसका कोडिंग एआई का ही बना रहे हमेशा, अगर उसका इंटरेस्ट है तो.
इसमें कुछ पेरेंट्स एंगेजमेंट का भी कुछ सोचा है आपने?
डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है हमारा, क्योंकि वो स्टूडेंट के लिए एक्सेसिबल है, तो वो तो पेरेंट्स के लिए बाय डिफॉल्ट एक्सेसिबल हो गया। इफ द पेरेंट्स आर हेल्पिंग देम इन देयर लर्निंग, दे कैन डाउनलोड द ई बुक, और वो बिल्कुल टेक्स्ट बुक की रेप्लिका ही है, अलॉन्ग विद द एनिमेशन एंड वीडियोस ऑफ द चैप्टर्स, प्लस जितनी भी बुक की एक्सरसाइज होती है, जितनी भी एक्सरसाइज है, वो सारी उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे गेमिफाइड है। तो
Okay.
बच्चा ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेस खेल सकता है उस पे जाके।
If parents get stuck somewhere, then
आई थिंक पेरेंट्स अगर स्टक होते हैं तो इसके पीछे एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर है, दे कैन कॉल अस एंड
Okay.
वी हैव अ कस्टमर सपोर्ट टीम एज वेल, दे कैन हेल्प देम इन द डाउनलोडिंग और एनी काइंड ऑफ सच प्रॉब्लम,
the kids are very smart, and sometimes parents have to learn now.
राइट? सो वी आर देयर मैम, कस्टमर टीम है ही, तो यू कैन जस्ट कॉल अस।
सो निधि, आपकी बुक्स कौन से स्कूल्स में यूज होती हैं, कितने स्कूल्स में यूज होती हैं?
मैम दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट ईयर, सो बट स्टिल वी गॉट अ वेरी गुड रिस्पांस, क्योंकि काफी अच्छा हमारे को जब स्टडी रिव्यू होता है बुक्स का, तो जैसे मैंने फीचर्स बताए, जैसे आप लोग भी नोटिस कर पा रहे हो, सो वी गेट अ गुड रिस्पांस। और बहुत सारे अच्छे मतलब क्लाइंट स्कूल में बोलूँगी, टियर 1 टियर 2 सभी में लगी है। फॉर रेफरेंस आई कैन से BSP के दिल्ली, it's Dune School from Pune, and there's one Sherwood and Saint Omar from Jhansi. So these are some good, I would say, lead schools.
So, I mean, can you connect me to some of the reference or tell me some of the case study? या किसी से बात करा सकते हैं?
Surely, why not? Let me connect you to one of the principals.
Oh, that will be good.
From Dune School, Pune.
Okay,
Let me just give her a call if she's available. Let me just check.
sure.
So what's her name?
Hello,
She's Miss Sigma. Hello. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
So ma'am, I'm calling, basically I'm in the middle of a podcast, and Miss Seema Negi ma'am would like to speak to you regarding our books. So are you just available for a minute?
Right. You're aware I'm Sigma Das, the principal of Dune International
Yes ma'am. I mean, introduce yourself. I'll be doing that again. I'm just asking, are you available? So
Connect with Code AI is an excellent effort to make coding and AI simple and exciting for students from primary grades.
So, Miss Sigma, are your parents happy with this new book? Your students happy with this new book?
Right. They are extremely happy. The children are happy, parents are happy, and so are the teachers.
Okay. And any kind of support that we as school look forward to when we go ahead with any book. So, did you get all the support that you wanted, whether it was teachers training students, or whatever is needed in the form of training or handholding?
Right, all the resource materials was given to us well ahead of time before the session started. So it kind of helped my teachers to prepare their class and go through the books, which made teaching and understanding more easier and simpler.
Oh, thank you so much. This is really insightful. Just one last question I would like to ask, that if you have to recommend anyone or the audience, would you recommend this particular book or this particular vendor or publisher to other schools?
Yes, of course, and I've been doing that because the main thing is they have incorporated the NEP not just for the namesake, but for real. So this kind of empowers our teachers also, which is a great help.
Oh,
So I certainly recommend this book.
thank you so much. Thank you. It was really
Pleasure is
insightful.
mine.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure is
Thank you.
mine.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye.
So Nidhi, I think that was a very positive feedback, and as a publisher, as an author or as a vendor, I think this is what we look forward to from the principals.
Yes, ma'am. I'm hoping the same. You guys also review, and then I'm hoping the same kind of feedback as well. Although we get the similar feedback from multiple people we have been, talking to.
So अभी मुझे एक बताइए, NEP 2020 को आपकी बुक कैसे एड्रेस करती है, आपने कैसे उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट किया है, एंड आप कैसे देखते हैं हाउ योर बुक्स आर अलाइंड विद द एडटेक सॉल्यूशंस?
मैम आई थिंक हमने काफ़ी चीज़ें डिस्कस ऑलरेडी करी हैं, सो इट्स मोर और लेस द सिमिलर थिंग. अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट में सम अप करूँ तो NEP को लेकर हमने पहले पूरा डीप स्टडी थॉरो स्टडी किया है NEP को ऑलरेडी. I've given a lot of workshops on NEP, so we are much aware of what NEP is all talking about, right? So इस book को बनाते टाइम या कोई भी book जो हम बनाते हैं, चाहे वो grammar हो चाहे GK हो, any subject that we start, we first study what NEP wants in the classroom. So joyful learning हो, वो technology integration हो, वो 21st century skills हो, या फिर वो pedagogical approaches हो, whatever. So we try to integrate everything before we do that, and then only we start writing. See, chapter writing is something different. That is an author's role, of course. लेकिन क्लासरूम को फन बनाना या जॉयफुल बनाना भी एक पब्लिशर का बहुत बड़ा रोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. तो हम सिर्फ ये नहीं करते कि हमने ऑथर से कंटेंट ले लिया और बस हमने चैप्टर को एज इट इज बस डिज़ाइन करके पब्लिश कर दिया. इट्स नॉट दिस वे. We actually work not just because it's NEP, it's because it's even our responsibility and our vision also कि हम books को और classroom को और schools को support कर सकें in some or the other way, you know, to make the classroom engaging and joyful. And I think future तो generation हमारी जो आज की है वो है ही, तो उनके लिए तो काम करना ही है.
Sounds good. So you are, creating future-centric or future-proof generation with your book. So that's really
Trying to do
interesting.
that.
Really interesting.
It's really good to see the
So thank you Nidhi. The entire conversation was very enlightening. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपने हमें बताई बुक के बारे में. हम भी उसको रिव्यू करेंगे, बट आपकी अप्रोच जो है towards joyful learning, towards student centric, these are the things I think what everybody is looking forward to. So thank you once again, and thank you for being here, and we look forward to more reviews for your book. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.